Please come to the film festival and to my day then
What are we going to do there?
eat dinner and eat cake.
Why are we going to eat cake?
Because.
Is it someone's birthday?
Yep, it's my birthday.
Yay! So, who do you want to have come to your birthday party?
Everyone.
Who's everyone? Who? Who do you want to have come?
Papa Jack, Granny, and Dustin, Mommy, Daddy, and
Anybody else in your family?
Kanan, Kel, Jacob, Job, and Gemmy Sue, and
Do you not want Momo to come?
Momo.
Sure?
What's the other one's name?
Who? Jody and Lexi?
Jody and Lexi.
Did you want Aunt Tammy to come?
Tammy and...
Sounds like it's going to be fun. What are we going to do at your party?
Eat cake.
What color is your cake going to be?
Pink and purple.
Ooh. If they wanted to know what you liked for a gift, what do you want for your birthday as a gift?
Everything.
No, tell them. They don't know what you like. Are you going to be 3?
No, 4.
You're going to be 4. And your favorite colors are?
Pink and purple.
And do you like army men or Barbies?
Barbies.
Do you like building blocks, or do you like Legos, or do you like other stuff?
Potato.
Potato? You like potato? What else?
Rocks.
You like some rocks? Oh.
And piano and a drum.
Oh, okay.
And car, purple car.
Purple cars. Anything else? Can you tell them how to sing happy birthday to you? Okay, sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Ellie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Riley. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
So, what do you want to tell them in closing? So, I see you at my birthday party.
I see you at my birthday party.
On Monday.
On Monday. Bye-bye.